What are you doing? Yeah. What do you think of how the Redskins did this year? Yeah. Your daddy kind of feels the same way. Yeah. More? Very disappointing season. Oh, yeah. Really now? Lordy. Maybe next year. Bye-bye. Yeah, next year. Yay. Yeah. Next year, Daddy. The Redskins are going to win the Super Bowl in 2013. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.